Good afternoon, guys. We are here at Shake Shack in Coral Gables, and today I'm going to be trying the Hot Ones Shake Shack collab menu. Yes, Hot Ones, First We Feast, Sean Evans. They love their spicy. You know, I love spicy. They have 3 items, right? The Hot Ones Spicy Burger, Hot Ones Spicy Chicken, and the Hot Ones Spicy Bacon Cheese Fries, right? You guys ready? Let's go inside. Let's see how hot it is. I don't know. You guys know I love chilies. This is going to be really hot. I've watched Hot Ones for years. They just finished, I think, season 18. Oh, God. That's hot. 11 a.m. Oh, look, right here. Boom, Hot Ones. Spicy bacon chicken, spicy bacon burger, spicy bacon cheese fries. All with bacon. How you doing? All right. Good. Hot Ones. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Oh man, okay, so I'm gonna get all 3 of these.
Alright, you wanna do single or double for the burger?
Single. And then we also have the last stab sauce, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you guys put that on the side?
Yeah.
So the total is $31.05? Is that it? $2 for milk. You guys know I love spicy. I'm dying to get on Hot Ones one day. Sean Evans, hit me up, dude, hit me up. Come on. And here we go, Hot Ones menu, Shake Shack. Thank you so much. Oh, it's exciting. I'm nervous. So this is the last time on the side? Oh God, it's gonna be hot. Okay, we're gonna go outside. Thank you, appreciate it. Oh gosh. Oh my God. Go, outside. Hot Ones. Woo! Can't wait. I've been waiting for this all week. Just got back from Iraq, and I was like, Hot Ones menu? Yes, right here. Let's do this. Hot Ones menu at Shake Shack. We got the Hot Ones Spicy Shack Sauce. Yes, can't wait to try this. Woo, I like it. They mix a classic sauce, right? And then over here we have 100% Angus beef, and over here we have white chicken and the fries. I don't know, do I jump onto the burger, the chicken, the fries? Let's go burger, baby. Shake Shack. Woo! Metro Rail. This is it, bro. So we have applewood smoked bacon, we have Monterey Jack cheese, and then we have potato bun. Nice, let's eat this. No spice there. Oh. Okay. Okay. Not so bad. This is delicious. Creamy. Oh man. So how it is my job. I like the burger. Nice crunch, right? A little crispy. Creamy with the sauce. So if you're just gonna get the burger and not dip it in, I don't think it would be too hot. Definitely have to dip it in here. Delicious, bro. I love Shake Shack. Jump on the fries. Well, sort of. How do I get this? Well, it's a big fail right here. Okay. Wow, I'm starting to feel the heat. It's gonna grab my hands. Oh yeah. Love a little crispy bacon. It's not too hot. This is gonna go over the edge. Oh, so good. This is their hardest sauce. I forgot the difference, but this is 2 million Scholar unit, I think. Right? This is always on there. On the last one, right? Man, hard to open this. Oh my God. You can't even touch it. Look, it's like don't touch, please. Okay. Here we go, bro. Oh, the last dab. This is where everybody dies. Not too hot. Oh my god. Dude, I don't know where it hits me. It's so hot. That stuff is hot. Oh. With the heat, I can take heat. I can do this. I've been in Chili's all over the world. See, it hits me on the tongue, but I also feel it in the back a little bit. I'm gonna dip it to calm it down. Dude, it is hot. Done with that. The last dab, huh? Oh, I feel it. I feel it hot. Oh god. I mean, it's not like killer. I've had really, really spicy stuff in India. So, I think I'll survive hot ones. Oh. God dang. Alright. See my eyes, right? Really hot. It's hot. If you put too much of this, I'm literally dipping it into the hot ones, spicy shack sauce, just to calm down the heat of the last dab. When you feel the heat, when you feel it like right here. I want to see if it hits me even more. But overall, it's not too spicy if you don't go with the last dab. Nice and creamy. Oh, I love the burger. The chicken, spicy chicken was good too. Whoa, look at me, look at me. I'm feeling it now. Oh God. Oh my God, I feel it in the back. Look, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Beautiful day here in South Florida. We have trucks here, metro. We have iguanas. Dude, I'm looking. I'm melting. I'm melting. See the sweat? So now you guys know. Started September 16th. I think it's 3 months. They're gonna have this menu. And remember, get here early. The last dab, they run out. They're done for the day. Oh. Limited per day. Oh, Alright, bro. It's sneaky. It's sneaky. I love this. Shack sauce mixed with the classic hot one sauce. Gotta get it all. I'm gonna finish the whole meal. Oh man, my eyes. Feel it in the eyes. Nate, am I okay? Do I look good? Did it break my face? like I'm breaking sweats. It's actually a cool day here in South Florida. It's not as hot as it usually is. Oh God. Well, that was it. I did it. I survived the Hot Ones Shake Shack menu. Oh, that was nice. I'm into spice, so that was really enjoyable. Definitely add some more of this for both the burger and the chicken sandwich. Woo. Now I'll take some milk. I mean, it's not killer. It's not that killer. I've had way worse, but obviously Chili's is different. Like picking whole Chili's. Okay. Get a side of milk. We need milk. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hot Ones Shake Shack menu challenge. I survived. Not so bad. Total price here was like 30 bucks. Pay extra for the last dab. Remember, get here early. Get some milk on the side. You will get hot. I'm into spicy food, and I'll tell you, this is the spiciest I've felt in a minute. Besides eating like super raw chilies in the middle of Bhutan, right? Woo! Damn, dude. Damn. Sean Evans, what did you do to me? First We Feast, Hot Ones, watch it. I love the show. Want to be on there one day. Guys, if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. And man, I do like this sauce. And what happened here? We have a truck.
I should ask them to move it.
It's good, dude. That was hot.
Dude, I got some great shots, bro. Dude. We good?
Good. Why?